gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Motorola has recently launched the Razr 50, a compact vertical folding phone. It features a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a large external screen, and an excellent design. Additionally, it has IPX8 water resistance and many other impressive features. Today, I'll share my first impressions of the newly launched Motorola Razr 50. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. First, let's look at the design of the Motorola Razr 50. It's a small vertical folding phone that's very portable and compact. To reduce the need to unfold the phone frequently, it has a large external screen that can handle most tasks. The Razr 50 features a 3.62-inch ultra-large external screen, which is an AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1700 nits. This screen is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone comes in elephant gray, with additional color options of orange and black. The gray color looks quite luxurious. The phone uses plain leather material, giving it a classy feel. The Razr 50 has the largest outer screen in its segment. It features a 3.62-inch display, which is comparable to the main screen specs, like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, SGS eye protection certification, HDR10+ support, 10-bit color depth, and a pixel density of 413 ppi. The external screen of the Motorola Razr 50 features different lock screen animations at different times and offers 21 different themes. The power button has an integrated fingerprint sensor. After unlocking the phone, the main screen's wallpaper can be seen on the outer screen. Swiping left to right reveals a customizable card menu. Swiping down brings up the notification control center, and swiping up shows active applications. The external screen of the Motorola Razr 50 can now use third-party apps, making it perform like the main screen. You can use it as a small phone to read news, reply to messages, and access social media apps. The external screen is also rotatable. An interesting feature is that if the camera is hiding content, you can long press at the bottom to reveal a small bar in the camera area. You can also change the display area and use the high-quality outer screen as a mirror, which includes a zoom feature. This means you won't need to carry a separate mirror. The biggest benefit of the external screen is for taking selfies. The Motorola Razr 50 includes several camera features for the external screen. Shaking the phone opens the camera app. You can use the camera by hovering the phone, and stretching your palm will trigger a selfie. You can fold the phone to 90 degrees and use it like a camcorder. The Motorola Razr 50 has a 50-megapixel main camera with AI features. It also includes Moto AI, allowing you to scan images or text to search for information and chat with an AI chatbot. There's also an AI travel feature. For performance, the Razr 50 is powered by the recently launched MediaTek Dimensity 7300X processor, built on a 4nm platform, and comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. In terms of battery, the phone has a 4200 mAh battery capacity, which is relatively low. It supports 30 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. Talking about the price of the Motorola Razr 50, the base variant with 8 GB RAM and 156 GB storage starts at 300-699 Chinese yuan in China, approximately 401 pounds in the UK, and up to $509 in the USA. I'll be uploading a detailed review of the phone soon, so stay connected with our channel. The best feature of the Moto Razr 50 is its productive external screen. It's large in size and can handle almost all tasks effectively. Friends, please let me know in the comments section how you feel about the design and features of the Moto Razr 50. What are your thoughts on the Moto Razr 50? Share your opinions in the comments section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.